Want to rearrange your YouTube playlists and change their names? Whether you've named a playlist incorrectly or you just want something more creative and clear, this is the perfect video for you. I'll show you step by step how to quickly and easily rename any playlist on your YouTube account. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the home screen of your phone, find the YouTube app, and tap on it. Once you're in the YouTube app, the next step is to tap on You in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, in the Playlists section, tap on View All to open the page with all your playlists. Here you'll see a list of all the playlists you've created so far. Find the one you want to rename, then tap on the three dots next to the playlist. Right after that, in the menu at the bottom of the screen, tap on the Edit option. When you get to this part like I did, in the field where it says Title, you'll see the current name of your playlist. Simply tap on that field and type in the new name you want. Once you're done, don't forget to tap the Save button to save your changes. After saving the changes, just refresh the page to see the new playlist name. Once the page reloads, your playlist will already have the updated name. And that's it, friends. Now you know how to quickly and easily rename any playlist on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this one. See you in the next video. And thank you so much for watching.